Welcome to the channel. What do we have today? One tool or robot which can open and closes the curtains. No, mostly sliding curtains or other kind of curtains. What does it says? The model number is LY1668 and it has a built-in battery which says 4000 milliampere hour. And it is with the remote one, so let's open it. What is inside? Oh, the packing seems to be very nice. Yeah, the manual. So the mechanical part and the smart life or the app part. So it has inside one the robot itself, the button, I think the light sensor. What else? One pack. It has one remote, some double-sided tape. Oh, okay. The railings, which can be adjusted for the different kind of curtain rails, and this. Okay, this seems to be. Oh, it can come up and down. It's spring operated. So the height problem is also solved, I would say. USB cable to charge, and a screwdriver, and different kind of attachments. Okay, there are two of these which can be added here. And the remote, let's see, what does the remote have? Yeah, the stand for the remote. Okay, so this tip is for the remote stand. It requires two AAA batteries. It kind of has two buttons, but only one button each, so it is only single channel. So if your curtain requires two of them, then you need to have two remotes. And how does it works? Yeah, I have to put these in the rails after selecting the respective rail adapters and turn it, put it there. Okay. And turn it on. Okay. I'll put some batteries inside and see if it works with the remote without using it. Yeah. So it works. Closes, turns it in different direction, stop, and open. Okay, so the remote seems to work. Then let's put it in the curtain. rails and see whether all these things work or not. So, and in the meantime, like and subscribe the channels. Thank you. Yeah, so now the second part, I removed the default settings one and added which were according to my rails. So, and now I will put it, and we can see that these are fitted in with springs. Yeah, now I will put it in the rails for the curtain and see whether it works. This is one of the rails, and I have already put one of them here. Now try to use the second one. A little bit of work is required. Yeah, and now I will put the motor. So now it is already added here, and I took out, I put the sensor ones on the other side, and let's see if it works. I will first use this remote. Let's see, and it requires 2 pencil cell batteries. Cells added. Okay, so it is not working, so it means they have to learn. Manual doesn't say anything about it, but I can see it has some buttons, must be to pair. So let's press it. Nothing is happening. And I have connected another thing, this clip with the curtain. Oh, and let me push the button. Nothing is working. So maybe via the Smart Life app. My Smart Life app, and there we can see the curtain robot edge being added. Take some time, and it is done. Now it says it needs to be associated. I said yes, associate, and with the hub associated it. Now comes the learning part. It says before learning, please close it completely. So I said yes, and start to learn, and select the initial position of curtain closing. Is it left or right? It is on the right of me. Let's see, and start to learn. And it has started moving. Okay, now let's see if it works. On off, and it has started closing it, which is working really nice. Okay, the learning doesn't seems to be correct, so I will start the learning procedure again. Timing. Setup, temperature. Okay, so I could not find anything to program the remote, but let's see whether it works or not just after programming via the lab app. Okay, so I say close and it works, and I say stop, open, stop, close. So it also works. It can also be programmed if the light and temperature is more or less. So I will do that now and check whether it can be set for that. Now come to the setting. It is fully charged and temperature 23, so I will say temperature. If the temperature is more than 20, that close is okay. And what about I will first open it, and I would say if the temperature is more than 20, then maybe 19, and save. So it says temperature is 23, luminosity is only 5%. How come? Does this setting works? Say it is higher than 10%, I would say. Okay, it doesn't say whether I can open or close. It just says, in my opinion, this is not very good. There is only an option of closure and not of opening. And I have set the temperature to be more than 10, then close it just to test. And furthermore, I can only say 10, 20 or 30, nothing in between. So I say if it is more than 20 degree, close. Luminosity is 10%, then close. Here it is 20%. Okay, the interface doesn't work the way I thought. Based upon the temperature is more than 20 degrees now, and it doesn't close or open itself. Luminosity I cannot test because it seems luminosity sensor is not working, but at least the remote seems to work. Yeah, since the remote works, I can open, stop, and close again. So I would say this solves the purpose, but I'm not very much happy how the interface is there in the app, but maybe there will be an update. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked it, like the video or unlike it, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.